hawa wananchi wa Murubara waweze kulala.
Jagoro maduong' mar riwruog jotije Francis Atwoli oyango ni mibadhi mogoyo tache pacho kae sekta mar thieth ema thiro chenro mag okumba mar thieth NHIF. Ogolo kwayo mondo jochiw thieth ogol e Boten County otere e Boten piny owacho mamalo kaka yo mar tieko midhiero mosebedo ka tuoyo sekta no. Atwoli mane loso romo mar Jokanyo mar board mar NHIF bende okoni piny owacho nyaka koro ket maino mare kedo kod mibadhi mamedo nyak kendo thiro dongruok e sectors mopogore opogore ahinya to mar thieth e pacho kam. Bende jiwo oganda mondo kaw okumba mar thieth mar NHIF kendo konygi e tieko mibadhi.
Contribute about 64% of the revenues for the fund. Therefore, this kind of an engagement is meant to address those joint issues that we are facing and how to enhance the services of each of the different bodies.
Tujadiliane, tuweke mambo wazi. Tuseme kama ni mambo ya ufisadi ambayo inaharibu sifa ya NHIF. Tutashirikiana vipi? Sababu hiyo ni kitu moja ambayo imetusubua sana.
We need also to examine ourselves. How many of us are talking against corruption? We need seriousness in this particular area. Not only in this area. We need seriousness in this country, particularly by taming corruption. If you can't tame corruption, you will remain where you are for now and for years. And particularly those people who are representing county governments here. County governments must respect our doctors. To train a doctor is not easy. It's very expensive to train a doctor. And when it comes to payment, they kick them left and right. It doesn't augur well. We need also to have a meeting with the head of state so that doctors